Understanding Harmonica Enthusiast, Unpacking the Phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, harmonica enthusiast. Whether you're a music lover or just curious about English phrases, this video will help you understand what it means and how you can use it. So, let's dive into the world of harmonicas and the people who love them. Harmonica enthusiast is a phrase made up of two parts: harmonica, which is a musical instrument, and enthusiast, which refers to someone who is very interested in a particular activity, subject, or thing. When we combine these words, we get a term that describes a person who is very passionate about playing or collecting harmonicas. They might spend a lot of time practicing, learning new songs, or even attending events related to the harmonica. The word enthusiast is key to this phrase. It's more than just having an interest. It's about having a deep passion. Enthusiasts often dedicate a significant portion of their time and resources to their hobby or interest. They are knowledgeable, passionate, and actively involved in communities or activities related to their interests. So, a harmonica enthusiast isn't just someone who likes the harmonica. They live and breathe it. The harmonica, also known as a mouth organ, is a small, versatile instrument played in various music genres, from blues and folk to classical and rock. Understanding the harmonica's significance in music can deepen our appreciation for harmonica enthusiasts. These individuals often explore the full range of the instrument's capabilities, contribute to musical communities, and keep the tradition alive by sharing their skills and knowledge with others. You can use the phrase, harmonica enthusiast, in many contexts. For example, if you meet someone who loves playing the harmonica, you might say, "I didn't know you were a harmonica enthusiast." Or, if you're writing a bio or a profile, you could include it as a hobby or interest. "In my free time, I'm a harmonica enthusiast, exploring blues and folk tunes." It's a great way to express admiration for someone's dedication to their hobby. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, harmonica enthusiast. We hope this video has not only expanded your vocabulary but also sparked an interest in the rich world of harmonica music. Remember, English is full of fascinating phrases that reflect our hobbies, passions, and interests. Keep learning. Stay curious, and maybe, try picking up a harmonica yourself. Until next time, happy learning!